very, very exciting for us to see you all today. Thank you sa pagpunta. We're very, very excited to share with you our epic news. And I assure you, epic talaga. So, this event is just not about giving away cars. It's about celebrating this community, yung ating playtime community, and of course, showing our appreciation for each and every one of you. So, this isn't just about winning or giving a car, but about dreams coming true and new adventures starting. So, before we talk about the epic car giveaway, let me first talk about our company, Playtime. Playtime is PAGCOR licensed. It's an RGL, or Remote Gaming Licensee, to be more specific. And we are at the forefront of the electronic gaming revolution in the Philippines. So our passion for technology, coupled with our unwavering commitment to bringing fun and entertainment, like we always say, and like we always do, drives us to create innovative software solutions that elevate the gaming and enjoyment levels to new heights. We started our operations last November of 2023 lang po, and we have already partnered with a lot of legit institutions like GCash, Maya, Viber, Grab, Foodpanda, Joyride, View, Blast TV, Philippine Movie and Press Club, PMPC people, where are you? Ayun! Hello, PMPC, welcome. NXT Studios, Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD, Beer Below Zero, or BBZ, and KFC, for starters. Yung KFC, yung manok, yun siya. We have also sponsored and showed our support for major events like Unique Pilipinas, Circus Music Festival, Internet of Things Conference last year, Reyes Cup, Arthur Neri Concert, and concerts Arthur Neri, Juan Carlos, Akon International, yes, we do that. VMX, Viva Max, Project X. Ayun, ang mga mata. I went from this to this. Anyway, your secrets are safe with me. Star Awards, Metro Manila Film Festival, or MMFF, and Bumper to Bumper car shows. To name a few. So, all of this, the convergence of shared values, visions, and goals is key to our innovation and success. So we combined our strengths, our resources, and we are poised to make a significant impact in our industry and beyond. And of course, at the heart of these partnerships is a mutual respect for what each of us brings to the table. So together, we push boundaries, we explore new horizons, and deliver unparalleled value to our stakeholders, syempre.